Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of February, 2025, our system has classified SoFi as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.84. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a decline of negative 9.33%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 3.11% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently lies at the lower end of a broad, horizontal trend in the short term, which often indicates a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the price breaks below the lower trend line at $13.98, it would signal a strong sell and suggest a potential shift in the trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is an indication of a possible decrease of 1.13% over the upcoming 3 months, with returns potentially fluctuating between negative 5.80% and positive 21.5%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it projects a remarkable change of 126.6% over the next year, with expected returns ranging from 80.5% to 190.81%. This suggests a future price range of $26.48 to $42.66 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline: SoFi stock price fell more than 5.72% Friday, closing at $14.67. The SoFi stock price decreased by 5.72% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, dropping from $15.56 to $14.67. This decline marks 3 consecutive days of falling prices. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 6.72%, with a low of $14.58 and a high of $15.56. The price has been volatile during this period, resulting in a loss of 0.88% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 3 million shares, despite the drop in prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 54 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $789,190,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $18.42, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price sits at 20.36%, or $3.75, below the 52-week high, and 48.09%, or $13.59, below the all-time high recorded on the 1st of February, 2021, when it peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies, trading under the ticker SOFI, has experienced a notable surge recently, attributed to a strong performance over the past months. The stock witnessed a remarkable 200% rally from August through January, culminating in a multi-year high at the end of January, largely propelled by impressive earnings reports. In the fourth quarter of 2024, SoFi reported a year-over-year revenue increase of 19.3%, reaching $332,500,000 in net profits, and its member base expanded to over 10 million. This growth trend, along with strong expectations for continued momentum in 2025, positions SoFi favorably within the financial services sector, particularly as investors increasingly seek out undervalued stocks. The recent pullback in stock prices presents a potential buying opportunity as long-term growth prospects remain solid given the company's expanding product offerings and member growth. Market analysts have indicated that as fundamentals stay intact, SoFi's value could continue to rise, especially with positive earnings momentum. In the short term, this could lead to increased investment interest, driving up the stock price further. In the long run, maintaining consistent growth in revenue and profitability will be key to sustaining investor confidence and potentially weathering any market fluctuations. As SoFi continues to carve out its niche in the fintech landscape, its performance will be closely monitored by the market, particularly in the face of broader economic conditions. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SoFi a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SoFi a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SoFi an underweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SoFi a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SoFi an underperform grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, in terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SoFi stock is exhibiting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. When there are upward corrections, resistance is expected around the levels of $15.63 and $15.64. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 18.64%. Further declines are likely until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, close monitoring of the stock is advised. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we notice short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 116 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 121 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. SoFi finds support from accumulated volume at $14.50. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a strong trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 98 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 6.72%. In the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 5.85%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for SoFi, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A PE ratio in this range is generally considered typical, especially for companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts are estimating a consensus figure of 4 cents. It is important to monitor these estimates as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoFi is at $15.24. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoFi encounters its first support level at $14.50. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI, as assessed by various analyst sources, is categorized as a sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th day of February in the year 2025, Eric Schopenhauer executed an insider sale of 111,461 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Eric Schopenhauer also conducted an insider purchase of 111,461 shares of common stock. On the 19th day of February in the year 2025, Eric Schopenhauer carried out an insider sale of 31,366 shares of common stock. On the 14th day of February in the year 2025, Aaron Pinto performed an insider sale of 45,389 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Aaron Pinto also executed an insider purchase of 45,389 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 56.174. In total, insiders have purchased 10,256,542 shares and sold 33,582,425 shares in these 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is SOFI stock a good buy? Currently, SOFI presents several negative indicators and finds itself within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate continued weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks, leading to a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and trading movements from the last day, our systems indicate that the present price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 24th of February, we expect SOFI to open at approximately 26.7 cents, with an initial trading price around $14.94. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.